This is الدرس الرابع والعشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط, and we are looking at لا ولا and the related connectors. This is drill 2, and you're supposed to complete the following sentences. So you're going to be writing sentences that are from your imagination, and you can use whatever words you'd like. However, you need to preserve the structure of la wa la, or as we said before in the previous video, lam wa la and lan wa la, as well as la wa la plus noun. So here we have in number 1, blank, وَلَا يَقْرَؤُونَ, nor do they read, nor do they read. So, you could come up with any sentence such as the students do not like to write nor read. Or any sentence that makes sense, that preserves the la wa la structure. In number 2, we have إِنَّهَا لَا تَسْكُنْ فِي blank, في New York. Indeed, she does not live in blank, nor in New York. Number 3, لم يزرها blank تلفونيا. So he didn't visit her, and then we have blank blank by telephone, neither in person nor by telephone, for example. Number 4, لا يستطيعون السفر إلى أمريكا. They are not able to travel to America, blank. So again, here we have إلى أمريكا, and you don't have to put or you wouldn't put a verb here necessarily, but you could provide an alternative to America. Number 5, blank, ولا يهتم بحضور المحاضرات, blank, nor are they concerned with or they deem important attending the lectures. Number 6, لن يحضروا هذا الاجتماع. They will not attend this meeting, blank. In number 7, we have blank, ولا ابنته. Okay, neither his son nor his daughter. So again, you can write whatever you want to make a full sentence, but you need something such as neither his son nor his daughter. Number 8, ثمانية, لا الطالب. And again, the la wa la construction can be at the beginning of the sentence. Neither the student nor the professor attended the graduation ceremony, for example. Number 9, blank, ولن نحضر الجلسة النهائية, blank, nor will we attend the final session. Number 10, لا الإنسان, neither the human being, ولا الحيوان, for example, blank, 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 neither the human being nor the animal, blank. Number 11, blank, ولا في المجلة, nor in the magazine. Number 12, لم يسافروا إلى الهند, blank. They didn't travel to India, blank. So again, here you're going to fill in these with la wa la or lan wa la or lam wa la, and complete the sentence. There are many possible correct answers. You just have to preserve the la wa la construction. مع السلامة.